In this video, I'm going to show you all how to create your first AI agent. If you have never created an agent before, it's going to be a FAQ email responder. And I'm going to leave the link to that FAQ email responder zip file that I already built out in my free school community, which y'all can find in the description down below. And also, if you're a business owner and want to work with me one-on-one, I'll leave the link to book a call and work with me one-on-one. But let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so in this video, we're going to be going over how to create an agent, specifically an email agent. This is going to be for frequently asked questions. You know, if for your business, this is obviously probably targeted more toward business owners, but if you're just wondering how to build an AI agent, this will be a full tutorial guide on how to do that. We're just going to do an email agent for this video. So how this agent will work is we're going to have, whenever the customer sends the email, it's going to go to your email, whether it be Gmail, Outlook, whatever email you use. Then this is where we're going to develop the agent at inside of Claude Code. So once it gets the email, the agent will read the email and go and use your frequently asked question knowledge base. So you're going to have to upload some type of docs, PDFs of whatever your frequently asked questions are in your email. And then it's going to auto reply to that email. Let's go ahead and get into the first thing. So the first thing, you're going to want to make sure you have VS Code downloaded. If you don't have it downloaded, I already have a tutorial on how to download this. This is just the IDE. It's an integrated development environment. Or you can download Anti-Gravity. It's the same thing, just another IDE. So it's kind of just preference on what you want to use. Like I said, I have a full video covering both of these and how to install them and set them up. So now that we're into VS Code, to install the extension, we're going to want to go over here, type in Claude. We're going to hit install. Obviously, I already have it installed, so I don't have to do that. Yeah, so now let's get into the actual building part of this. All right, so the first thing we're going to want to do is put it into plan mode. Okay, this is going to help us be able to plan out what we're going to do. So now I'm just going to speak to Claude. Hey, I want to build a AI agent that responds to my emails of frequently asked questions. So we're just going to say that. I'm trying to think if there's any more detail I want to add, because the more detailed you are with this, the better result and it's going to be easier to one-shot it, I guess I can say. Like, if you kind of don't know what to, or if you're very general, you're going to get a general output. If you're very specific, you're going to get a specific output. Okay, so now it's going to ask us questions to help kind of things that we wouldn't have thought about, so it'll help better mold this agent to what we want. So it's asking, so we automate it every morning, only on demand only. Let's see, review for you to send them. I'm going to do other. I want this to respond to, or automatically respond whenever it gets an email about a frequently asked question. So it's asking where my frequently asked questions come from. I'm just going to upload a document. I'm going to have ChatGPT just to make a fake one. Okay, so this is asking or saying right now, I think I've already built a sample FAQ responder because it was talking about a coffee shop up here. And I think I did have a fake. I think I did this before. But right now it's just talking about drafting emails. I want to have this where it will automatically respond. So I'm just going to tell it that. I want to make sure this can automatically respond to emails. That's the biggest emphasis of this. Whatever we need to do to be able to get that, let's do that. Okay, so now it's asking us how cautious it should be. I'm going to say send all FAQs-ish. This is all personal preference, but this is the type of question that's good because it'll ask you, this is something you probably wouldn't have thought about it wasn't asking these questions. So that's what's good. It brings up questions that you would have not had otherwise. I'm just going to send it from this email. Yeah, we're going to do that. Okay, so now we have the full plan here. The agent that auto replies to your FAQ emails kind of breaks down. You don't need to know everything like this. It's just kind of breaking down the plan. Just make sure you agree with what it's saying. Like, make sure you actually look at it. So yeah, we're going to auto accept this now. Also, when I'm editing this, I always like to put on bypass permission mode on, just so I don't have to sit here and hit yes consistently. I just like to let it figure things out. All right, so it's asking us to upload our FAQ questions. I just got this sample FAQ question from ChatGPT. It generated as an image, whatever. I mean, I wanted to generate as a PDF, but it doesn't really matter. It's going to get the information it needs regardless. So I'm just going to paste this into here. So whatever your FAQ questions are, you're going to want to just paste that in. If you're following along with this build and you're just making it hypothetical, even if you don't have a business, you can just get ChatGPT to generate you 10 random questions. Here are my FAQ questions. This is my document. Just use this as a real document. Don't worry about the other stuff. Or don't worry about it being a placeholder. This is my real document. If y'all want to work with me, I'll leave a link down below. If you're a business owner and want to work with my business, I have a free consultation you can book one-on-one, and we can set up a call and kind of go over whatever you're wanting to do. And also join my free school community. I'll have the link for this file in my free school community if you join that. How do you want to the final go live? Everything is tested except a real inbound email actually getting auto answered. You send one real test. Okay. I think we'll just do that. We'll do the test. All right. So I just sent the email. It was asking me to send a test email, and I'm going to let it know I just sent the email. I just sent the email. So I just got the notification on my phone that it responded. So let me go ahead and go to my email so I can show y'all this. So if y'all look right here, this was the email I sent. Right here, the question. Then it automatically responded with the answer. So yeah, I mean, this is completed. This should run automatically for you. You know, you might have to do a few housekeeping things, clean up. I'm going to ask it to make sure everything's set up. There is nothing else I need to do. But yeah, I mean, you just created your first AI agent. Is there anything else I need to do for this automation, or are we done? All right, so that's going to do it for the video. We are completely done with the email thing. If y'all need any help with this, just join my free school community. Y'all can DM me in there. If you're a business owner and want to work with me in my business one-on-one, I'll leave the link in the description for you to book a call and we can set up something. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what videos y'all want to see next in the comments.